In today's tutorial, she has how to enable or turn on toggle keys on your Acer desktop computer, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says toggle keys, play a sound when you press caps, number, scroll lock. Click inside that oval to toggle to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.